It's interesting to see this as a foreigner.
This is actually the first time I've seen a seatbelt
Yeah.
in this park
Okay.
ever. So I'm kind of surprised by that too.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe that's why there's no second train.
Oh, there might be.
It's completely dismantled.
I didn't see that.
Neither did I.
All right. Okay, let's go.
Let's do it.
All right.
There we go.